Hi there, this is Marisa from DigitalScrapbook.com, and today I am going to be working with some of this word art here for our Designer Madness 2023. And I actually made these word arts in an earlier video, so you can check back a little bit in the history if you want to see how I made these. But today I'm going to go ahead and kind of add some styles to them and make them look a little different. I'll probably include these original kind of colored versions in my kit, but I'm also going to make a few different versions here. So I have them open here in Photoshop, and this canvas here is 12 by 12, which I like to do because it helps me get an idea of how big my elements are. And so like this label here is too big, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to shrink this down so it's a better size. These are all actually, I think, a little bit bigger than I want. Let's get all these and we can maybe see if we can shrink this down to be about the same size as this one. Okay. And this isn't maybe too big. I'm just going to shrink it a little bit, and this one as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I have all of my styles installed here over here, and I'm just going to go through and try a few out. I usually like to include kind of something neutral, like maybe a wood or some cork. There's some wood ones from a leaf that I quite like. Let's see if I can find those. I use those quite a lot. I'm gonna just kind of, I haven't found a better way to get through these. Okay, here they are. So these are number 83 etched wood. I'm going to try these. So first of all, I'm going to take the background here and I'm going to apply the style. And then some of these inside ones we don't really need. So I'm going to turn those off, and then this is the top one, and then I'm just going to put that there. So now you can see I get this nice etched look. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do all of these. Oh, what happened there? Oh, I see this one's from behind. Okay, so that's going to make that one a little trickier because that one looks a little funny. So I like those, but I don't like this one. Just looks a little funny. I want that on top actually. So I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to open it in Illustrator here just so I can get the top part, so I can put it on top. I don't want to do that. All right, so let's see here. Let's get this out of here. And this, I'm just going to go ahead and fill this in. And then we'll get the original. Let's see here, make this bigger. Got a lot going on today. Okay, oh, it looks like I got some extra stuff in here. Okay, so what I want is this text. Let's copy that and we'll paste it in here. And then we can shrink it down a little bit. Might leave it a little bit bigger just so it's easier to see. And I'm going to go ahead and align that. All right, so there you go. That is one style. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. Labels, we'll just save that as 2. And then we'll do a third one. I know someone had mentioned if I would do the enamel styles. And so I will go ahead and give that a try. I'll start here maybe on one of these more simple ones. Okay, you know what? Let's clear all these. Okay, so this for the enamel, I think I'm not going to do this one's, this text is going to end up being too small. Although maybe I could do the heart. So I'm going to shrink these down because I just feel like enamel things should be smaller. And this guy, we got to get this guy being the same color here. Let's see, where are my colors? So this was, okay, now we got that all. Okay, so I have my own enamel style here. Let's see if we can find that. Marisa's enamel. Here we go. So this is available on the website, and I think, let's see, I think this is the edge. Yeah, and then we've got this, which is the enamel part. So what we need to do is we need to make a border. We could put this, that kind of, it's kind of a metal, that's kind of going to be the edge here, but we don't have an edge. So I'm going to duplicate this background layer, this orange layer here, and Actually, before I do this, we should just clear that layer style. And what we're going to do is we're going to stroke it. So we're going to give it a stroke. I'm going to change this to center, so it's centered, and so that looks a little thick for enamel. I think maybe I'll do 14. Oh, wait, we forgot to go. We've got to do one more thing. Here under blending options, I'm going to turn the fill opacity to 0. So now you'll see here I only have my border. And then I'm going to go ahead and right click and rasterize that. And then I can add my edge in. And now you can see we've got some fun edges. And I should have, before I did that, I'm going to copy this layer style. And we'll redo that. So then on this one, I'm going to do this one as well. So I'm just going to paste this here. And then I can rasterize that. Add the middle and do this. And then this maybe will change the color on here. What if we make it like something like that? Okay, and then we'll do one more here. We'll do this one. Paste that. Put that on. And then this. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and so this one I was saying, I think this text, I think it might be kind of hard to read. We can have a look, see if we put this on. No, that's the wrong layer. I feel like that's a little small, but we could maybe go ahead and just do the heart here. Let's see, do I have the heart? Oh, there we go, okay. So we'll erase this. And then maybe shrink this down a little bit. Okay. And then get this in the middle kind of. Okay, so we're going to duplicate this and stroke it. And then give that. And then, let's see, I'm going to bring this down here, these two. Give them the enamel. Oh, you know what? Actually, this heart here, I'm going to duplicate that as well, and I'm going to stroke this one. Oh, look, it's got a little stray guy there. There we go. Give that a thing. All right, so now we go. We got some fun enamel. And should we go ahead and, do you know what? I'll maybe do some other ones with my illustrations. So I hope that was interesting and helpful to you. I'm going to come back here and maybe add some more styles and things to the illustrations that I made earlier. Thanks so much for watching this video, and have a great day.